Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send automated response emails to contacts on Wix. This is an incredibly useful feature. If you want to instantly connect with people who sign up through your forms, whether that's a newsletter subscription, contact form, or any other type of submission on your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, take a look at the left navigation menu. You'll see several options listed there, and what you're looking for is automations. Click on that to proceed. This is where all the magic happens for setting up automatic workflows that save you time and keep your communication consistent. After clicking on automations, you'll be directed to Wix's automation dashboard. This is your control center for managing all automated tasks. From here, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the plus Create Automation button. This button is your gateway to setting up new automated workflows. So go ahead and click on it. A Create Automation window will appear on your screen. By default, you'll be directed to the popular Automation Templates section. These are pre-built workflows that Wix has created to address common needs, making it easy for you to get started without having to build everything from scratch. Take a moment to browse through these options. For the purpose of sending automated response emails to contacts, we can simply use the template called Get an Email when a form is submitted. This particular automation is designed to send an email to contacts who subscribe or complete a sign-up form on your website. It's typically used for welcome messages, confirmation emails, or any immediate response you want to provide when someone fills out a form. This ensures your visitors receive instant acknowledgement, which improves their experience and builds trust. To start with this automation, click on the Setup button. Now, all we have to do is customize the email that this automation will be sending. You'll see the automation workflow appear with different actions. Click on the Send an Email action, and then look at the left side menu where you'll find more detailed options. Look for the Create an Email section and click on the More Actions button. A small option window will appear with a few choices. Select Replace Email from these options, and then a small window will pop up asking you to confirm. Click on Replace Email again to proceed. Now you'll be presented with several automated email samples that Wix has prepared for you. These templates are professionally designed and cover various scenarios, so browse through them and pick one that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Replace and Edit. You'll be directed to the email composition page, where you can fully customize this email, change the text, add your branding, adjust the colors, insert images, or modify anything else to match your business style and messaging. This is your chance to make the email feel personal and aligned with your brand voice. Once you're done customizing and everything looks exactly how you want it, click on Save and Continue. You're almost there. The final step is to activate this automation so it can start working for you. Once activated, it will now start sending emails to every customer who signs up through any of your forms automatically. This means you'll never miss an opportunity to engage with a new contact, and your communication will be immediate and professional without any manual effort on your part. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.